Hello everybody, this is my hydroponic system in sand. Uh, my name is Iga, I'm from Cape Verde, and I'm growing mostly strawberries in my system. My system, I have about 25 containers. Usually these are buckets or other sort of containers that I've cut in the middle. This is my container with hydroponic nutrients. This is about 45 liters, and I usually I water the plants about 4 to 5 times a day. This is my pump. It has a elevation capacity of 2.5 meters, but it's stronger than I need for the system. So I return some of the water to the directly to the container, so it oxygenates the nutrient solution, and it's delivered with more oxygen to the roots of the plants. Over here, I have mostly, as I said, most strawberries, different stages of growth. They are all are producing. These are the younger ones. There's you see a lot of flowers over here. I'm using for media. I'm using sand over here, and this is lava rock sand. So the water goes to this tube and to this 12 millimeters black tube over here, and it's delivered to the plants by these drippers. The drippers are adjustable. You can let me see if I can. You can adjust how much nutrients are delivered to the plants. But overall, I would recommend you a 4 to 8 liters per hour drippers. So it's delivered, then the tubes go. It's a closed system. It goes and delivered to the plants, and then this is a Dutch bucket that I have here, and then the nutrients return to the container over there. And I'm using currently, this is the return pipe, the PVC pipe, and I'm using the pipe to grow some strawberries. It's like an FT, but it has media over here. And then the solution returns to the bucket. Right now the EC is between I run DC between 1 and 1.5 depending on how hot it is, and the pH is between 5.8 to 5.5 to 6.5, but it's better if you can keep between 5.8 and 6.2. Basically this is. I hope you have a nice day, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. So see you guys, have a nice day.